Okay. What's your first name?
Tracy.
I told you the questions would be easy.
I can answer that. Tracy.
Okay. Now you got in the sauna about 20 minutes ago for about 5 minutes.
20 minutes ago for 5 minutes. The first time with him.
Yes.
Yes.
And then after sitting out here just talking,
I definitely felt looser after the first time though.
Yes.
I was looser, yeah.
Okay. And I said, okay, and tomorrow you're going to go in 3 or 4 times for 2-3 minutes at a time.
Yes.
I said, well, go in now. Today will be your second time.
Yes. And I obliged.
Yes. And oh my God.
Oh my God.
We gave you 3 treatments.
How many? Yeah, how long was I in here for?
About 15 minutes
more.
Oh,
really? Okay.
Yeah.
So midway,
yeah,
I felt so loose in my right hip, and I have SI joint dysfunction forever. I felt so loose that I was able to adjust myself while sitting on my own. So just a little adjustment on my SI joint, and I feel way better now.
And how often can you do that?
How often can I do what?
Adjust your SI?
Never. I can never adjust my own SI joint because I'm so tight.
And who
my
does
hip
it?
flexors and my everything around is too tight to adjust myself. So that was amazing. That never happens.
So I saved you a lot of money.
You did. You saved me a lot of money, and I honestly I felt happier because I was empowered to do that on my own. Like having to go to a chiropractor as often as people do is very disempowering.
Yeah.
And that was actually quite eye-opening.
Yeah.
And empowering.
And your hip joint's loose now.
My hip joint is loose.
Yeah.
Yeah. My SI joint feels like it's even with my left, which never happens. Never feels that way. And I'm feeling happy.
Yes.
You know, because pain's not really the problem. The problem with pain is the collateral damage it does to your mental health.
Yeah.
It affects every facet of your life. So even if you're in the slightest bit of pain, it really can affect every facet of your life. And this really helped to loosen the muscles that are always tight on me, historically always tight. And I was able to adjust my own skeleton without a chiropractor.
Yeah.
Don't tell the chiropractor.
No. Well, chiropractors can do better adjustments.
They can.
When they put people in this
I still need
first.
a chiropractor.
Yes, right.
But I just have never been able to do that.
Yeah.
It was actually kind of startling when I heard the sound.
Yeah.
But it felt a lot better. It felt like a release, like I was at a chiropractor.
Yeah. And see, the relaxed sauna, what it does, it generates a frequency, a wavelength of light that helps you get into the present moment. And when you're in the moment, that's when the magic happens. And that's why you were able to, in the moment, listen to exactly what you need to do very subtly to make whatever movement you needed to make to get you into that pain-free state.
Yeah, I believe that. Yeah, no, I believe that's very true. You can tell that once you come in, it's almost immediate that you feel relaxed, like in a trance. Almost like you're getting acupuncture or acupressure, to be honest. You get into that almost immediate trance. A good one. Love that one.
Do you know why this is called the relax sauna?
No. I don't.
Why do you think it's called the relax sauna?
I mean, I haven't read anything, but I'm thinking that you stimulate the parasympathetic system here.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like.
Yeah.
I'm very sensitive to that because I'm always on sympathetic.
Ah, right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's nice to go parasympathetic every so often.
Even at a conference, I'm sympathetic.
Yeah.
It's a little, you gotta
yeah.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah.
And so, that was really nice to take me down.
Yeah. So we tell people this brings joy.
I was even interactive with a stranger, which I don't normally do that.
Oh, am I the stranger?
There was a stranger next
there
to
was
me.
another stranger too, right?
I was like, hey, what's up?
You were loose. You were loose on all levels.
Almost. It was like I had some vodka. You don't even need alcohol anymore.
No.
You just need the sauna.
Yes, I just need the relaxed sauna.
I think I should work for you now.
Yeah, you're hired.
You don't need the chiropractor.
Be here tomorrow at 8.
Yeah, I'll be here. This is fantastic. Okay.
Great. Well, thanks for the interview, by the way. It's a relaxed sauna. The website is relaxsaunas with an S.com. It's relaxsaunas.com. They can find out lots more information. And so, how do you feel right now?
I feel feel amazing. I feel ready to go. Honestly, I feel energized. I feel like I needed that instead of a coffee.
Yeah.
You know? Instead of a coffee, you can hop in a sauna.
And before you got in the first time, what were you expecting?
Nothing. Just to do the thing.
To make him happy because he asked you to.
Sure,
I'll go in.
sure.
What the hell?
Yeah, whatever.
What a surprise.
Yeah, absolutely. It was amazing.
And thank you so much for your time and attention.
You're welcome.
Okay?
Thanks for having me.
It's relaxsaunas with an S.com. Thank you.